Noritz Tankless water heaters display error code 11 when they experience an ignition failure. This is one of the most common error codes you'll encounter. This error means the system detects a demand for hot water but cannot start the combustion process. The water heater recognizes that you want hot water, but it fails to ignite. For successful ignition, three essential elements are required: gas, air, and a spark. If any one of these three components is missing or insufficient, ignition will fail. Common causes of ignition failure include insufficient gas supply, blocked air intake or exhaust vents, and faulty ignition system components. Let's look at these potential problem areas. Start your troubleshooting by checking that the gas supply is turned on and that there are no obstructions blocking the air intake or exhaust vents. These are the most common and easiest issues to identify. Important safety warning: if you smell gas at any time, immediately turn off the gas supply, ventilate the area by opening windows and doors, and contact a professional technician. Never ignore the smell of gas. The first troubleshooting step is to observe the burner through the sight glass. This will show you whether the unit is attempting to ignite or if there's no ignition attempt at all. Next, inspect the ignition rod for damage or corrosion. If you find buildup or corrosion, clean it gently using a Scotch-Brite pad, fine grit sandpaper, or even a dollar bill for light cleaning. Check all connections in the ignition system for looseness or damage. The ignition system includes primary and secondary circuits that must be properly connected for reliable operation. Try resetting the unit by turning the power off for a few minutes, then turning it back on. This simple step can sometimes resolve temporary ignition issues. If the problem persists after these steps, it's crucial to consult a qualified technician. DIY repairs on gas appliances can be dangerous and may void your warranty. Regular maintenance can help prevent future Code 11 errors. Flush your system annually with white vinegar to remove mineral buildup that can interfere with ignition components.